Shit! What? Hi everyone, my name is Nico and welcome to The Spec, where experience makes a spectacle. Dito na naman tayo sa isang adventure and exploration of another experience, but this time it's travel edition. So it's been a while na nag-vlog ako or nag-take ako ng videos talking about or sharing my travel. So it's been a while. Usually ang travel season or time ko talaga ay sometime or starting May talaga. So I am now in Bukidnon. Nandito ngayon sa Dahilayan Forest Park and Resort. I'm with my mom and my kuya. So, biglaan lang tong trip talaga nito. I just thought of booking this flight coming here. And here I am now. I'll be showing you some footage. So, I'll be showing some POV vlog with you guys just for you to kind of experience what it's like to be here in Dahilayan. So, this is my first time also to be here, and yeah, medyo malamig. Parang feels ng Tagaytay and a bit of Baguio. Ganun yung parang scenes niya dito. So, tara, samahan niyo ako dito sa experience na to, and I hope that you appreciate and be immersed in this experience. So, this is basically how it looks like dito sa veranda sa may reception ng hotel kung saan kami nagsistay. You'll never see this in other places. Sobrang hindi pa talaga na-exploit masyado itong Bukidnon kasi siguro malayo. And it's in Mindanao. And it's well preserved. Coming here, we see plantations ng pineapple left and right. Sobrang scenic niya. And this is what we see. Nag-aantay lang kami ng check-in. So, and yung lamig niya is like Tagaytay levels. Then may parts also, paggabi na medyo nagiging Baguio na raw yung lamig niya. So later, iikot tayo once we check in already. Kasama ko yung mom and kuya ko. So gusto ko lang ipasettle muna yung mom ko before kami iikot ko sa area na to.
Wala po yung kwan. Wala po bang demo? Pasok daw kayo. Baka maihagis kayo. Kamu dito po, di mo gamas.
Hi, good morning everyone. This is Dahilayan Forest Park and Resort. So I'd like to take you on a quick tour. This is the morning after our first day here. Kahapon, di ako nakapag-take ng mga footage because kasama ko yung mom and brother ko. But this time, I'll tour you around. Ang gagawin natin ay we'll go from end to end, and then we'll try to walk through so many parts here in the Forest Park and Resort para makita natin. So the first thing that we will check out would be nasa far end nitong Forest Park and Resort. So tinuruan kami ng kasama naming driver. Dito kami pinadaan yesterday. Hindi lang ako nakapag-take ng footage and videos kasi I was with my mom and brother. So this time, mag-isa lang ako. So I'll walk you through. So may daanan dito sa ilalim ng cafe. And then goodness. And then you'll go through this part, and then here's, I think this is like my most favorite part. I know, with tall trees. And then meron pa koi pond or koi fish pond. And the first thing that I thought is forest bathing, and I learned about it in Baguio nung pumunta kami doon. I don't know if this is their purpose, but I feel like this is forest bathing. So I wonder, how long it took for them to plant all these trees para tumubo ng ganyang katataas. And yung being immersed under these trees really is so therapeutic. Like, hindi ko in-expect na may ganitong part. When we got to this point, parang I was really surprised and so happy. Kasi sobrang tahimik, and then ang narinig mo would be yung koi fish pond. And ito yung nasa far end ng Forest Park, ng Dahilan Forest Park and Resort. And this is how it looks like. Tapos may mga cottages here and there. Medyo basa pa kasi umulan dito. It's rainy season. Kaya medyo basa pa siya. But just by staying here and under these cottages really would be so therapeutic. Hindi ko in-expect na ito yung kailangan ko from the hustle and bustle of the city life. Tapos tamang-tama, it's around 8:40 in the morning already. Almost 9. But, ayan. And the cool part is, oh, by the way, I'm using yung Merrell shoes ko kasi kumakapit talaga siya. So mahirap na, medyo slippery yung daan dito. So I think it's advisable. It's a good tip. It's a good tip to wear good shoes for hiking and trekking kasi up and down yung daan dito. And this is the best part dito sa part na to. You know, K-drama na daanan. So this is the far end nitong Forest Park and Resort. Just ko, kahit magstay lang ako the whole time dito, okay na ako. And then maraming cottages. Hindi ko na-explore to pababa kahapon kasi I didn't have much time. Pero I think pababa na siya papunta dun. I'm not so sure kung anong meron doon. But I think all of these are cottages. So if you want to stay here and eat and be immersed, kahit hindi ka nagstay sa resort mismo kasi free naman yung entrance, you don't really have to pay unless may mga activities ka, diba? Everything else is free. Ayan, ang ganda. Hindi kami napadpad sa part na kasi mahihirapan yung mommy ko maglakay. We just took photos, but yeah, I'll just walk you through this experience. So I think in terms of experience, I feel like this is so unexploited. Siguro kasi hindi naman, pag summer siguro maraming tao dito, but to me, like, if you go to Mindanao, the likes of like Bukidnon, yan, marami pang pwedeng puntahan talaga in Mindanao. Talagang may mga ganitong mga spectacles and experiences. And yung weather or temperature to malamig talaga. Para siyang Tagaytay na mas pinalamig. It's a cross between Tagaytay and Baguio. So I guess I'll stop here kasi I think pareho lang naman nakalagay dun. O nandun sa part and they're doing some renovation over there. But this is how it is. And naalala ko yung nasa Baguio ako nung nag-forest bathing kami. Although iba naman yung experience na yon. Parang this is kind of reminiscent of that. Diba? Parang you're just drowning yourself in nature. Tapos may konting sunlight. This is a spectacle. And if you like this video, do give it a like, share, and please subscribe to my channel if you want more of these videos. There. So I'm just trying to find my way out. Iba yung dinaanan ko ngayon. So I think same lang naman yung kalalabasan nito. Ay, wala na siyang pathway. So dun ako sa dito sa mga talatalahib. Okay. Oh, may bridge. What is this? Pwede kaya ako dumaan dyan? Ay, may blockage na. Hindi na pwede. Anyway, so we'll go to the other part nitong Dahilayan Forest Park and Resort. Labas tayo dun kung saan tayo pumasok. So heading out, dito palabas tayo ng cafe. So I think they have their cafe here. It's your typical cafe. Parang siyang mala fast food siya. Simple lang siya. Affordable yung mga prices. You have to buy food over here. And then, kakain ka somewhere there. And there are other parts ng restaurant na kind of open space. And kind of overlooking. So, and it's overlooking the forest na pinuntahan kanina. But, naka-close pa tong area na to. Pero like yesterday, dito kami nagstay. Somewhere there. Sobrang mahangin, maaliwalas. So yun, I think this is the only cafe that they have. Meron pang isang Jesse's Diner. I don't know where that is, but hindi namin siya pupuntahan. But dito kami mag-breakfast and kumain ng dinner din. There. And from the inside, kung hindi ka nag-stay sa resort, dito yung entrance mo. Kung ikaw ay general public lang and hindi mo na-enjoy the activities inside, pasok ka dito. And then, may bilihan ng ticket somewhere sa labas. Or if you're inside already, pwede kang bumili ng ticket over here for the activities naman. So those are the activities and the prices. Yan. And everything else will be up to you kung ano yung mga activities na gagawin mo. So, hindi ko na ginawa lahat ng mga activities dito. Because kahapon, one, I was with my mom and my brother. And two, umulan. So, nag-aantay kami ng check-in. Parang we had to go to the other resort sa kabila kung asan kami kumain. But for this particular resort, I think ito yung mas may maraming mga activities talaga. Again, this is Dahilayan Forest Park and Resort. So, I'll try to see if I can still have or I can still try out these activities kasi dumadami na yung mga tao. Magka-check out na rin kami in a while, so we'll be going somewhere. But this is one thing that I'm considering trying out itong rainbow slide na to. So, ang gagawin is magsa-slide ka dito. Yan. So, ito yung slide. And then, sasakay ka dun sa inflatable na yon. Right? And going down there. So, ito yung isang activity na gusto kong gawin siguro. We'll see. Yan. And this is the other side. Pwede rin bumili ng tickets over here for the activities. So maraming mga ticket booths. This is where we're staying. Itong complex na to. So this is Hotel Building 1 ng resort. So this is accessible to senior citizens and PWD kasi pagpasok mo dyan sa bridge na yan, andyan na yung rooms mismo. So prioritize kami dyan kasi yung mom ko senior citizen. Walang elevator kaya nilagay kami dyan. And the hotel or the resort reception was over there. Diyan kami nag-check-in kahapon. And I'll show some footage here also, some B-roll. Tapos ito yung nakikita mo habang naglalakad-lakad ka dito. Iba yung nagagawa talaga ng mga pine trees. And I'll try to go down kasi merong pababa dito. So basically from the forest area, yung mga maraming trees over there, that's the other end. And then the pinakadulo also. Ito pinakadulo ng resort. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay bababa tayo. Hindi ko na iisisahin yung mga activities, but some of which are yung rainbow slide. Ito yung pababa, hindi ko na alam kung saan ito papunta, but let's explore anyway. Kahapon may nakita kaming parang golf course na, mini golf course somewhere there. Pero super mini lang yan. Nandito, may nakita ko naglalakad-lakad kanina eh. Pababa. So let's see. I think hindi naman challenging, but this is like the caveat pag, and I think it's also a good thing for exercise. If you're in Bukidnon, since bulubundukin siya, parang akyat baba ka talaga. So it's a total leg workout for you. Check out natin tong area na to. Kaya meron dito. May hanging bridge din. May hanging bridge din. I'm not so sure if I'd be able to do that now. I'll see if I can still do that. So, ayan. So, merong parang sort of pump boat dito sa baba. Parang may sort of man-made waterway. Then, that's another activity if you wish to do that. Parang ayoko na siyang gawin. So, wala na rin time. And na-enjoy ko na yung forest na part eh. Yan, yung naririnig nyo, that's the zip line. I'll see kung saan siya hahanapin. But let's explore. And so I'm going down. Meron supposedly shuttle pababa. Pero sabi nila malayo daw. Yung papunta sa baba, yung dapat pipicturean sana namin. Pero isip ko, baka kasi relatively malayo sa kanila, pero sa akin parang okay naman ako. May sort of daanan pababa dito. I think dito yung papunta dun sa bump boat. I think. I don't know. Mas merong daanan dito pababa. So I'm not so sure. Nagawa ko ba siya? Bumaba. So dun nga siya sa boat, no? But ito dito na ako. Bababa na ako going down to, I think sa bump boat din to. Ang gusto ko kasing i-explore, puntahan yung para dun sa race car activity eh. But let's see. Ayan, so ATV walkie turn left. So may activities or isang activity din over there pababa. Sa ibang activity din siya. And I guess dito, tama nga, dito yung sa boat. Habang naglalakad ka, ito talaga yung nakikita mo. Super nice for walking. If you like to walk, I think this is really good exercise. So ayun na nga, so for the boat yun. I'm not so sure kung ano yung path papunta dun. Sige, explore natin. So sa boat nga siya. The bumper boat. So this is an unusual path. Hindi ko lang po saan na to, but ibang area din to. I think it's yung sa ATV. And the other one, ang ganda ng part na to. Kasi kitang-kita mo yung forest part na signage na. And I think yung, I'm not so sure kung asan yung race car part. I think ito dyan siya na part. And I think we have to go up there. Kaya kailangan ng shuttles. Tama nga sila, kailangan ng shuttle para makita. Sige, mag-shuttle lang kami later. So there, this is not part of the, like, supposedly parang public view na scene. Pero sige na, nag-explore na lang tayo.
Oh, wow, wow, wow! Hey!
Dili din makasulod.
Oh, what the? Intense! What the heck? I love. That's it? Aww. Bitin! Yay!